Make a great choice today with the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.